In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify in WPS Office Mobile. Text alignment plays an important role in how your document looks and feels, especially when you want it to appear clean, balanced, and professional. When text is not justified, you may notice uneven spacing along the right edge of the page, which can make paragraphs look messy or unfinished. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to fix that using the WPS Office mobile app. Once you have your document open in WPS Office on your mobile device, the first thing you need to do is decide which paragraph you want to adjust. If only one section of your document looks uneven, simply tap and hold on the paragraph until it becomes highlighted. This tells the app which text you want to format. If you want to justify more than one paragraph, you can drag the selection handles to cover the text you want to change. After highlighting the paragraph, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. This is where the main editing menu is located in the WPS Office mobile app. Tap this icon to open the formatting options. Once the menu appears, you will see several alignment tools designed to control how your text is displayed on the page. From the alignment options, find the Justify tool. This option is positioned to the right of the right alignment button. When you tap Justify, WPS Office will automatically adjust the spacing between words so that the text aligns evenly on both the left and right sides of the page. As soon as you apply it, you will notice that the paragraph looks more structured and visually balanced. Justified text is commonly used in formal documents, reports, and professional writing because it gives the page a neat and organized appearance. It helps create straight edges on both sides of the paragraph, which improves readability and presentation. This is especially useful when working on longer documents where consistent formatting makes a big difference. If your document contains multiple paragraphs that need justification, you can repeat the same process for each section. Simply highlight the text, open the bottom menu, and tap the Justify option. Taking a few extra seconds to align your text properly can greatly improve the overall look of your document. Using justification in WPS Office Mobile is quick, simple, and effective. Once you get used to where the option is located, formatting your text becomes much faster and easier. This small adjustment can instantly make your work look more polished and professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.